A lot of you have been waiting for this feature to come up so that you can send WhatsApp messages to your customers with the help of Salesforce Marketing Cloud. And today is the day it is actually happening. Salesforce has announced in its Marketing Cloud 2021, January 2021 release notes that it's going to be giving you a feature to send messages to your customers on WhatsApp with the help of Salesforce Marketing Cloud itself. So if you really want to send messages with the help of Contact Builder and Journey Builder to your customers on WhatsApp, then from February 16, 2021, you can avail this feature by talking to your account executive if you have got an enterprise edition or a corporate edition of Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Marketing Cloud has partnered up with Cinch, which is an official WhatsApp business solution provider, which provides conversational API with the help of which companies will be able to send transactional messages to the customers, as well as they'll be able to interact with the customers using session messages via Marketing Cloud. This is a feature which a lot of the companies who are already using Marketing Cloud wanted from so long, and some of the partners like Syntexa have been trying to build an application or a marketplace application for the same thing. But Salesforce already had a plan to create this feature or to add this feature into the Marketing Cloud itself. Especially the company in Asia, Europe and Latin America, because there are a lot of users of WhatsApp in these regions. And companies do not want to miss out onto any channel to interact with their customers. And you know why, right? So if you are a marketer of a company or a business, or you're the person who is taking care of the Marketing Cloud at your company and you want to enable this feature, all what you need to do is you need to contact your account executive who is taking care of your Marketing Cloud instance or org, and you just need to ask them to enable this feature in your particular org. And now I'll tell you how to actually send messages to your customers, or how to actually interact with your customers on WhatsApp via Marketing Cloud, of course. Number one and the most important step is you need to have a WhatsApp account of your business with the help of which you'll be communicating with your customers. Number two, you need to create channels to interact with your customers. Of course, you need channels to interact with your customers, right? Number three is you need to create messaging templates or message templates inside your Marketing Cloud, and make sure that you create it in such a way that it doesn't sound promotional in any way. It can only be a transactional message which you're sending to your customers, because you need to get approval from WhatsApp in order to send a message to your customers. Number four, and very important, is you need audience to whom you need to send those messages using WhatsApp via Marketing Cloud. And by the way, you need explicit consent of your customers to whom you're trying to send messages on WhatsApp. You only need approval from WhatsApp while sending transactional messages, but while it comes to session messages, which are actually initiated by the user itself, you do not need any approval on the message templates. And that's the fifth thing that you need to do. You need to create templates using Content Builder for session messages that you'll be having with your customers on WhatsApp via Marketing. Use Journey Builder to send WhatsApp messages to your customers with just a click. After you're done sending the messages to your customers on WhatsApp, you can also analyze the data using it. Just want to tell you one more thing, that before doing all of these steps, make sure that all of the things which are required to be enabled in your org or to be set up in your org are in the place, and that you can only do with the help of your account executive. So make sure to do that before following any of these steps. If you're happy to hear this news, then make sure to hit the subscribe button over here with the notification bell icon, so that you'll be the first one to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you like this video, or if you enjoyed learning anything from this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down on the bottom. If you have any questions related to this for me, I'll be happy to answer all of your questions. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.